Hey, there's Mike Roof over here at Galaxy Builders. I'm actually on top of a roof that we just completed. We just put on a brand new Owens Corning Duration Designer Series shingle. This color over here is Storm Cloud, a very popular color because of all the different transitions in it. The Owens Corning TruDefinition Duration shingle is 130 mile an hour rated. Can withstand up to a Category 3 hurricane. And with its patented Shingles strip, it gives it a great resistance against wind. It's a 50-year shingle, so it's guaranteed to be protected against material defects for 50 years. As a preferred contractor with Owens Corning, it also has a 10-year workmanship warranty on it that is backed by Owens Corning. So it's a fantastic product. Underneath this shingle here is our own Genesis reflective underlayment. Genesis, what it does is it reflects 97% of radiant heat. All that heat goes into the attic, and with this being such a low-pitch roof, the attic itself is very small, which means the interior gets extremely hot. I can just put my hand on this thing. It's February, about 70 degrees outside. This roof itself is extremely hot, probably about 120, 130 degrees. So the Genesis reflective underlayment, which is under this shingle, is reflecting that heat back out and causing the attic to be cooler, which is in turn helping the inside of the home to be cooler. So if you need a roof replacement, something that's energy efficient, is beautiful, and is going to last a long time, choose Galaxy Builders with our Owens Corning Duration Designer Shingles with Genesis.